HTTP live streaming, known as HLS, is often used to send a live video broadcast to a website or a mobile app for playback. This process begins with an encoder where the video and audio signals are compressed and then sent to a media server using the RTMP protocol. The media server unpacks the RTMP stream and repackages it as HLS in multiple bit rates for best viewing by many players with different network conditions. These all get streamed to a content delivery network where they're then cached for faster distribution around the world. For players to stream the live video, they first request the info from the CDN about the stream, and then once they have the info, they then request the specific playlist for the stream that works best for their network conditions. Now, when it comes to choosing the HTTP live streaming tools, the media server is the best starting point, with Wowza Streaming Cloud as the easiest tool to stream to millions. With Wowza Streaming Cloud, you can set up as many streams as you need. Just name the stream you're making and choose the location closest to where you're broadcasting from. Next, you'll select the right equipment or just choose Other RTMP. That's all that's necessary to make the live stream, which is already connected to a content delivery network. Now all you'll need is the source connection information for the encoder and either the HLS URL for playback or the player embed code if you don't have a player already. Don't forget that you'll need to start the live stream on Wowza Streaming Cloud before an encoder can connect to the media server. Software encoders or mobile apps are a good starting point to live stream with. OBS Studio is a great free software encoder with loads of functions, and Streamlabs is a simple free mobile app. The OBS Studio stream setup is pretty basic, using the source connection information as follows. Streamlabs' custom RTMP option does not allow for authentication information, so in Wowza Streaming Cloud, you'll need to edit your settings to disable authentication. This doesn't change the rest of your source connection information, and once entered, going live is just a click away. The playback side is a little easier. You can always share the HLS URL on mobile apps for native playback, and for websites, HLS plays natively in HTML5 using video tags. However, you can also use the HLS URL with other players out there, or use the provided embed code to insert the video on a web page. Alright guys, that's it for HTTP live streaming. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.